This is from the chapter Quadratic Equation, exercise 4.3, question number 6. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meter more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side, find the side of the field. You are asking to find the sides of the field. So you are asking to find the sides of this sides of the field. So this is the field. What is saying? The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meter more than the shorter side. This is the field, and diagonal of the field is 60 meter more than the shorter side. Let us take the shorter side is x meter, and diagonal of the field is 60 meter more than the shorter side. So this diagonal of this field will be 60 meter more than the shorter side, x plus 60. If the shorter side is x, then diagonal of the field will be x plus 60. So I wrote here, let the shorter side be x meter. Let the shorter side be x meter. And according to question, diagonal of the rectangular field is 60 meter more than the shorter side. So diagonal is, I wrote here, its diagonal is x plus 60, because diagonal is 60 meter more than the shorter side. And again you look at the question, if the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side, longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side, therefore its longer side is equal to 30 meter more than the shorter side. Yes, the shorter side is x, longer side will be 30 meter more than the shorter side, so x plus 30 will be the longer side. X plus 30 meter is the longer side. I will write here also, x plus 30 is the longer side. Okay, so we should form an equation. You just think how we can form an equation. Since it is a rectangle, the field is in the form of rectangle. So in a rectangle, angles are 90 degree and it forms a right angle triangle. And since it is right angle triangle, it always follows the Pythagoras theorem. And you know, according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to altitude square plus base square. So that is the things we know. Therefore what we can form a equation, we can form a equation. How we can form a equation? Hypotenuse square, this is the hypotenuse for this right triangle, this diagonal is the hypotenuse. So I'll write here x plus 60 for this right triangle, this diagonal is the hypotenuse square is equal to altitude square, that is x square plus base square. According to Pythagoras theorem, base square, that is x plus 30 whole square. Yes, it forms a equation. So let us make this equation a simple one. You know, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So it is in the form of a plus b whole square. So I applied the formula. Similarly, x square is remaining same, plus this is also of the form a plus b whole square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. I applied the formula. Now let us make it simple. Here it is x square plus 2x into 2 into x into 60. 260 is 120, 2 into 60 is 120x. After calculating this one, 60 square is 36 00. So its simple form is this one. Now here x square plus x square, it will be 2x square. They are like term, we can add them. Plus in simple it will be 230 is 60, and then there is x, 60x plus 30 square is 3 3 is 9, double 0 will come here. Okay, now let us arrange in a standard form. Let us try to arrange in a standard form. So everything take inside, or everything take to the right side, or everything take to the left side. What shall I do is 2x square is there, x square is taking to the right side, it will be minus x square, and there is plus 60x, and this 120x is taking to the right side, it will be minus 120x. At the same time I am arranging, those are like terms. Again 3600 I am taking to the right side, but there is 900 is there, it will be minus 3600. Okay, and in the left side remain nothing, that is 0, because everything I took to the right side. Now let it be remaining same. 2x square minus x square, it will be 1x square. We can write only x square plus, it will be minus 120x. If you calculate these two, plus 60x minus 120x, it will be minus 120x. 120 minus 60, it will be 120. Sorry, it will be minus 60x. Plus 60x minus 120x, it will be minus 60x. 900 plus 900 minus 3600. If we subtract, we will get 2700, but the minus value is greater, minus sign will come. Okay, it can be written like this also, x square minus 60x minus 2700 equal to 0. No problem, everything 0 equal to this, or this equal to 0, they are same thing. So it is completely in the form of quadratic equation. So it is completely of the form quadratic equation. Now let us solve it, means let us find the x value to get our answer. So we can apply various method, but I'll try to apply factorization method. To apply the factorization method, I will take the last constant and the first coefficient 1 and 2700. If you multiply, 2700 will get, and let us factorize. There is prime factorization method. 2 2 5 5 3 3 3 we got, you know it. And with the help of this factor, I'll form this 60. With the help of this factor, I'll form this 60. So how it is possible? 2 5 is 10, and 10 3 is 30. Again 5 2 is 10, and 3 3 is 9, 10 9 is 90. Okay, 90 into 30 we will get 2700. 90 into 30 we will get 2700. So with the help of this factor, we form 90 into 30, we get 2700. Now using this 90 and 30, we can form 60. So just observe here, using this 90 and 30, that is 90 minus 30, surely we will get 60. Instead of 60, I wrote 90 minus 30. Other thing, so 90 minus 30 x and minus 2700 equal to 0. So it will be x square minus 90x, 30 into x, 30x, at the same time minus minus plus. Other things remaining same, 2700 equal to 0. And from here, from these two part, I'll take common. From the first two term part, x is common to both. I took x as a common. X minus 90 inside the bracket, and from here I'll take 30 as a common, plus 30, x remain inside the bracket, minus 30 into 90 remain inside the bracket, other things remaining same. Again from these two part I can take common, x minus 90 as a common, and inside the bracket it's remain x plus 30 equal to 0 is remaining same. Finally what we can write, x minus 90 equal to 0 or x plus 30 equal to 0. This is the two conclusion we can brought from here, two possible. And from here what we get, x equal to 90, and from here what we get, it implies x plus 30 equal to 0, implies that x equal to minus 30. It is not exist. It is not valid. You see, what is the x we assume? We got x equal to 90, we got x equal to minus 30. It is not exist because what we assume x equal to? We assume, let the shorter side be x. This is the shorter side, this is the x, this is the x. But it cannot be negative. It cannot be negative. If it is negative, means less than 0. So it has some length. It cannot be negative. So 90 is the shorter side. Therefore, what we can conclude, you are asking to find the sides of this. So therefore the sides are, the sides of the field are, the shorter side is 90 meter, and the longer side will be, as per the question, longer side is 30 more than the shorter side. So 90 plus 30, shorter side is 90, longer side will be 90 plus 30, because 30 more than the shorter side. It will be 120 meter is the longer side and 90 is the shorter side. This is the conclusion. Thank you.